Here's me a little on-site haul truck that's kind of more to my size, I guess. This thing would probably fit on my little trailer. But yeah, like here's the normal size, and here's this little guy. So it's a Hyderma, or however you say it, 912 HM. But yeah, it's kind of a, yeah, and it's sitting next to a big cat, but it's quite the little truck. I'm gonna have to get in there and check it out. That's not about 40 gallons of water. Chris might have my new little haul truck. So is this considered like a 3-ton rock truck right here? 2 1/4. This is an interesting little contraption. They're kind of like little Tonka toys. Be kind of fun. We'll see how much. Yeah, I got a little water. Oh, they'll like that. I'm sure there's probably a good use for these things somewhere, but not sure where. Is this going to be your next rock truck on-site purchase?
Yeah, for the Mini and the skid steer. All about
oh, you're going down there. Get your suspension lowered.
What's happening?
The suspension.
All that power just escaping as I cut the key off.
It would look like a big haul truck for the Mini. There'd be like half a scoop in the 250. This one's got just a little bit of slop in it. It does a little dance. Yeah, this one's probably seen better days. Got a big 450 Hitachi. Yeah, the bucket's got a little, she got a little dent in her, so a little thin. Yeah. She's been used a little bit, so. Pretty good size though. Not a Valvo. Yeah.
What are you doing?
Well, I think we kind of got splashed earlier today.
He's what?
Hit a small puddle.
He's small puddle?
Yeah, we got splashed. Just a little bit of mud. Nothing major happened.
Oh yeah. Are these custom? Are these custom curb feelers you have here? Yeah. The custom curb feelers?
Weld.
Yes.
Plastic weld, quick setting epoxy.
Yeah, that's very good. Yeah.
No, you don't want to get this on your fingers.
But my fingers are not plastic.
You want to use a stick.
It comes with popsicle stick. Yeah, you're good.
Have you done this before?
Once or twice. Yeah. Never on man van.
I think that's a plenty.
That's not plenty. You need a lot. This big crack. It's like back in motherland. There's crack in the dam. We have to fix before the water comes and takes away the village. You know, Bertha was not happy about
I
it.
can't wait for a neighbor to walk by and there's 3 guys hovering down in the corner of the van.
Oh, that is the good stink, yeah.
No, don't get it all over the paint. No.
You're going to
Will
try
it make
my
the
best.
paint bubble? Yeah.
It's
Now we're gonna have a glue line.
Worried about the paint bubbling.
I don't think the paint is going to be the bobble problem.
I'm past the crack, so we're good.
Maybe you need to go back inside and just come out and be like, what crack?
I was asleep the whole time. You guys took the van?
Is the crack near the paint bobble?
I feel like you're putting a gracious plenty on here.
I feel like it needs every bit.
Are we supposed to glue the other piece back on?
We got the whole tube left.
Oh, okay,
Don't
we're
worry
good.
about that. If not, we can go back to the O'Reilly's Auto
I
Parts.
think we got a little extra. Right?
Yeah.
It's okay. It'll hold the
It's
dust.
great. It's color matching, right?
Yeah.
Is it color matching? Or you just be, do I need to like smear that or?
You fill in the gap with it, or
There we go.
You'll never notice.
you'll never notice the giant line.
I wouldn't inhale it.
Looks great.
I gotta hold this for 5 minutes. Stop making me laugh.
It's really,
You
really
get 2 pop rivets
inconspicuous.
on a piece of metal.
I thought that's what your plan was with the zip ties, was to drill a hole in each side of it.
Stitches with zip
What kind of
ties.
redneck shit do you think I'm trying to pull here, driver? Oh, you stay on the crack. Need to see what we're doing here.
They'll never notice.
You might want to rip a piece of that cardboard off and take the excess.
Before it dries?
Yeah, probably. Just smear it in there real good.
You don't want to smear it on the paint so much.
It's supposed to dry clear, isn't it?
Oh,
See,
it
look,
looks
look.
even better now.
Yeah, it blends. It's blending epoxy.
It's like, buddy, you just want to...
Yeah, it's like Bondo.
Smear it in there.
I dabble, do you?
I feel like I need to smear a little right there.
Probably.
Just need to get a Band-Aid and put across there.
Got a little one this here.
Get the heat lamp out on it. Stop laughing.
You know, if you go to the Wawa, you can get these stir sticks.
It's the Wawa stir stick.
That's what's gonna fix it.
Wawa
good.
stir stick and epoxy.
That is what's gonna fix it right too. I'll tell you.
That's going to keep it from coming apart there.
That'll stop the light
Now,
from
what
catching it
speed
on
is this
different
stuff
angles.
actually rated at on the...
This is at least a 65er.
Okay.
Yeah, this shit is annoying to hold.
That's only been 37 seconds, so...
Yeah,
That's it.
Are we supposed to keep track of time?
5 minutes.
We'll probably do another coat on the inside there. We'll put a big blob and just let
Yeah,
it sit
that's-
overnight. And,
That always helps, right?
you know,
Oh, she wants to like over. Come on, stay. Nope, Bertha.
5 minutes has never been so long before. It's going to be the longest 5-minute video ever.
How long have we been recording for?
I think they were lying when they said that.
Well, it was like 4 minutes, but...
I mean, it's not even...
It says setup. Cure time's like an hour or so.
Oh, dear. There's a fire ant right there.
Is that what that was?
That is a fire ant. What is a dead fire?
Great, now Pete is gonna like get after you for this video with animal cruelty.
Oh well, I'm getting bit.
That really just touches it up, just blends it right together that way. You don't even notice that line there.
Well, if you take the light away, driver, you can't even see it at all.
It's gonna be dark in there.
Yeah.
You should have got like some ultra heavy duty.
This was the best plastic stuff they had.
It's not even sticky.
I didn't have to hold. Well, you're not plastic. You know it dries by chemical, right?
Well, it's clearly not.
Just
doing
keep blowing on it though, it's okay.
Yeah, I mean,
I feel like we need to put a cinder block right here and just wish it the best of luck. Hey, here's the other car parts.
yeah.
Let me show you the other car parts.
Oh, you got to angle her down. With
I'm angry. Oh, we got car parts, brake pads.
We're ready to start our own salvage yard.
It's the best damn brake pads Callahan's ever offered.
Stop moving.
We should blow on it.
It looks awfully runny. Like I just don't know. Is it really gonna work?
Did you not mix it up adequate?
You can mix
You're
your
supposed
own
to use a little
batch.
bit out of each tube, I think.
Huh. I did. It comes out together. Oh,
Not just one side.
This is entertainment.
This is not going as quick as I thought it was going to go.
No, this is the longest 5 minutes ever.
These zip ties sure did hold pretty good though.
I wish we could zip tie
I think we should
this.
just leave those and just paint them to match.
Just trim them, they'll never know.
Are those zippy tie? No, they're not.
Those are damn highway speed mountain brackets right there.
I guess there's not a cinder block in the vicinity.
Mm-hmm. It would be
Take them
nice.
out of the neighbor's landscape.
Yeah, that'd be perfect. You're a landscaper.
Like
so-
the stuff isn't even sticky though.
I know, I am kind of concerned about that.
I mean that shit, it's been.
We gotta get the ping pong paddle and wedge it underneath there.
I don't know if that'd be big enough. Do I have anything in the back of the
I
truck?
don't see any cinder blocks. So.
Let me go look in the back of your truck.
Yeah, there might be something in there.
Here I am with no shoes.
So you didn't even rock the flip flops. I got the flip flops on this evening.
He was expecting this to be fast.
I told her 5 minutes is a long time, so.
Hey, you know what's in the back of your truck?
What?
Nothing.
Damn it.
There's a gooseneck hitch.
So helpful.
That'll do. It's heavy though.
Wonder where his cooler is. There's a three-way hitch in here. You think that'll stand up enough and hold it?
It might.
I gotta get it though.
It may scratch the living shit out of it too though.
Yeah, we're obviously worried about that.
We're
Let's
obviously worried about scratches.
let's not scratch it up anymore. We
got
could have
some
got one of those little buffer wheels on a
I mean,
drill.
it's
I think I'll be fine if they don't walk over to the passenger side.
I think if we get the zip ties off,
It won't be as noticeable.
maybe that mud there.
We're gonna have to take it back to the car wash. I'll have to wash the rest of it.
Holy moly, that's a big hitch.
It's got some weight to it. Move your toes.
What's the plan here? Drive it. Look at that. It's like the right height, too. It's like it knew we were going to KO the van. I don't really think I put all those scratches
No.
in front of there when we drove
It
the
definitely had one or two.
I mean, that's about a curve high. We will always remember this night when it's 9:30 on a Sunday night and we're out here trying to glue
a plastic bumper back
How are we
together.
gonna get that under there?
Does anything else look tore up underneath there?
I ain't
There?
looking.
Is there a hole in the oil pan or anything?
Yeah. I'd be a little late for that one.
Look at that.
Huh?
Look at the bottom.
I don't know if I want to.
We need to line that up a little bit better.
I don't know if
Is it that bad?
Yeah, but you don't really see the bottom of it.
But if you crawl up under it,
Oh, yeah.
Well, don't crawl up under. Oh, dear.
it's not even close. Will that work? They should never notice.
Oh, Lord.
Should we get some band-aids and put on?
We should.